Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome and thank you so much for spending time with me today. This is Basic Gray for May. The cover of this journal looks like the one that you may have seen in Clear It Out. This is the fourth dog journal that I have going, and you can see the cover is similar. It's a mailer and fabric and it makes wonderful crinkly sounds. And then on the inside, it has the same fabric as the other one, but then I've used a Basic Gray collection to create this. Basic Gray, if you're new, was a paper company, and now they just do fabric. So a bunch of us have this hoarded in our stash. Bourbon Creek Crafts and Stampin' Cat both participate in this, and the descriptions are down below. We make stuff with it. Our goal is not to use it up, not to smash it, but to pull it out and use it a bit. This journal is built but not decorated. It's kind of like the other ones. I have an ephemera piece I glued in here, and then we like big mutts and we cannot lie. And this is a piece of Basic Gray paper, so it has that mottled mixed media look. But you'll see that I'm going to mix in different stuff as we go along. Then papers, and then I have an ephemera sticker here. And this is from a different collection. I liked the burgundy. I wanted to bring in that color from the cover a little more, so I thought it was fun. And I was really trying to clear it out on my dog papers. Then here I have a smaller page just for fun, and it has a sticker on it. Basic Gray stickers were not shiny. They were matte, so you can write on it with a pen. And then I have the beginning of a fabric flip here. I've got the fabric and a paper clip, but I'll probably glue it down and move the paper clip, change it out. Look at this cute paper. Isn't that fun? And then this one, I had this collection before, and then I think I used a bunch of it, and then one of you sent me more. This is from something else. So you'll see it won't be like totally Basic Gray. I'll decorate these up. Then here we have, again, a Basic Gray sticker and a piece of paper that I put in, and then a sticker from something else. So when I'm all done, it's not going to be only Basic Gray, but the bones of it are. This one, again, is a sticker. This was a card that was gifted to me at some point, and I mean, how fun is that? It's also a tuck spot. I'll try and find something to put behind it, but it doesn't go down super far. Then the dog likes me best. When Nancy and I were shopping, is that where we got it, Nancy? I think this was from Casey Scraps, or somewhere along the way. Maybe she gave it to me. I don't know, but the dog likes me best. It's great. I put it on the fridge for Mr. Crafting and Relaxing and wrote a note that said he told me so. Then this was from Smash Our Stash. You can see that little heart button, and then a doghouse and a piece of paper. And I might go back and decorate the pieces of paper when I decorate the actual journal. I don't like to get too much on them because they catch when you try and go in and out. Like this one, the button will catch. Then we're just going down the other side of the journal. I have a pocket here with a piece of Basic Gray. Now the backs of these are white. The big ones were double-sided, but the small ones are single. But I did need somewhere to write, so I thought that's okay. I might ink the edges, or I could stamp paws along the edge. I wish I had thought about sewing in pockets when I did the journal. Sewing fabric covers and getting everything lined up and straight is still kind of a newer thing for me, but I wish I had put a pocket in there too. I can still take a pocket and glue it on with fabric or paper, so we might see that. Depends. So this is going to be a Basic Gray dog journal, and these journals are going to be, I would guess, like dog in your face full time, lots of dog, not like a fairly simple journal with some dog accents on it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our friends, Beth and Kathy. Like I said, the links will be down below. See what they made. As you can guess, I am going to keep making stuff with all my dog ephemera and having a great time. Be sure to come back for Craft with 5 on the 21st. If I got all my dates right, I think that'll be the next thing. I am going to have the week off, and I'm sure I will be crafting up a storm. I hope you too are taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.